I'm Connell Townsend, the Chief Executive of the Property Council of New Zealand. We go back to the late 1970s. I understand we were founded around about 1977 by a small group of companies who thought they had quite a lot in common, and there was a need to get the voice of commercial property as an industry better appreciated in local government and in central government. And also they figured there were various other things which we could do, like some standard documents for the industry and also some common events. We're an organisation that represents owners, investors, developers and managers of commercial property. We suspect that about 10% of all offices probably use the Property Council office lease at the moment. It might be a wee bit higher. We suspect that maybe another 10% of the market use something like the Property Council office lease, but they've varied it to some extent. They've got their own name on it and they're doing their own thing. We print these things out as paper copies and sell them as documents. So we thought it'd be great to have a relationship with someone who can just digitise these and put them to the market. We've got the intellectual property in the lease. We thought Nomos would be bringing in the ability to digitise it. Actually what it's done is it's done that supercharged on steroids. It's an incredibly easy, accessible document that we know our members are going to love. Our lawyers are going to love doing it because they'll add proper value in terms of giving legal advice rather than just having to go through all that very slow, unproductive work. The owners and investors in commercial buildings are going to love it because they'll be getting a document that's professional and reliable. The tenants are going to love it because they'll get the thing signed up, they'll get into the tenancy and they'll know where they stand, and all the provisions will be straightforward, easily documented. Our lease now reflects lessons learned from the Christchurch earthquakes. Our lease is up to date and reflects the requirements of the Property Law Act, and our lease is going to be delivered through an electronic platform through Nomos One. It's highly flexible and is fully integrated with all other databases, easy to use. And so benefit for us is that we're seen to be going into the new century, the new decade, with a really good trusted partner, with a really neat product. It's just great for our brand. We want to be associated with Nomos One because, frankly, the partnership's going to make Property Council look better.